So, do you ever get the free paper pads, like when you order, for instance, from scrapbook.com? Hi, this is Debbie from Project 39 Mini Albums. I got this paper pad. It's from Designs by Reminisce, and it's called But First Coffee, which I am still drinking. Oh, it looked like a heart there. It really isn't. It's mushroom coffee. You have to stir it every once in a while. But anyhow, I knew I was getting this because they tell you what your freebies are if they have any. And I also purchased stickers that go along with this. My friend Letty from Party Planner Papery does that. If she knows she's getting a freebie, she'll see what else can go along with it so she can sort of stretch out the paper. So I did that. I thought that was genius. So I got stickers to go with it. I was also doing a prototype for a Valentine's Day project. It's coming up. Subscribe so you see what I have in store for that. I'm not a big Valentine's Day person, but I wanted to use some paper. Anyhow, so I was doing a prototype, so I said, all right, I'll use this 6x6 paper pad. Well, it didn't work out. It didn't work out for the Valentine's Day project, but it worked out for cute little coffee mini albums. I ended up making two of them. I just thought they would be really cute, and I know you can just take one gift card and keep reloading it, but you could put a bunch of gift cards in here, or maybe not gift cards, but maybe like a coffee date or a lunch date, and you could have IOU coupons in here. So even though it was sort of a Valentine's Day project, wouldn't that be fun to give to somebody you're fond of? All right, let me show you through the book. They're both the same size. They are 3.5 by 4.5, and there are 6 pages. It was sort of it's not stack your deck, but when page 1 is longer and then you score it and add page 2 on top of that, and then you score it and add page 3 on top of that. So you get 6 separate pages. Well, that's what I did. And there is a tutorial for the larger version. I don't have one for this. So anyhow, I also used some craft color cardstock because I use black as the base. And then on top of that, I used some of the pattern paper and a sticker. So happiness is a cup of coffee shared with a friend. So wouldn't that be perfect? You just add in a couple of gift cards or IOUs. I sort of thought this was funny and put on the inside cover. It says, hey, train wreck, this isn't your station. There were a bunch of these little coffee cups, and I was originally going to use them as a little pocket, but I just added them, backed them on some craft colored cardstock and put it in. This could be an IOU for a Monday coffee break. They also had one of the sheets, and if I had thought of it, I would have gotten the 12 by 12, but it had a ton of these little cut aparts. This one just says coffee makes all things possible. So again, you could write on here saying IOU one coffee lunch date. I don't know, would you have coffee lunch date? I don't know. Here's another little coffee cup. It says stay grounded, haha. Life happens, coffee helps. You could write on the back of there, or you could put photos there. I don't know. The pages are all the same. They have a pocket on one side and the whatever on the other, and then there was another sticker. Low battery, need coffee. Yeah, all the time. E equals MC2. Energy equals milk times coffee to the second power. Cute, cute, cute. But first, coffee. Oh, I can't read this. I hope you don't mind, that I put down in words how wonderful life is while you're in this world. Isn't that sweet? I mean, we all know this song, but wouldn't that be sweet to give to somebody? Oh, so there were a bunch of these little things I had left, and I didn't want to throw them out because there was this one that says dinosaurs didn't have coffee. How did that work out? I mean, you could add that to more IOUs if you wanted to. This one I did make into a pocket. It says coffee and friends, the best blend. Sip, sip, hooray, it's the first day. You're probably going to need this. So, coffee because Monday happens every week. And there we go. It will be in my Etsy shop very soon. This one says a day without coffee is like, just kidding, I have no idea. Yeah, me either. This has a nice pocket on the cover. It says life begins after coffee. Life happens, coffee helps. We've seen that before. You could put photos there, or you could put an IOU. You could put a gift card here. Coffee because adulting is hard, and just brew it. I'll give it my best shot. Haha, may the coffee be with you. Strong. Room to put a gift card. Love is in the air, and it smells like coffee. I like you a latte. I didn't realize I did that sort of, anyhow. It has a cat, and it's in a cup. It says, I don't care what day it is. It's early, and I'm grumpy, and I want coffee. Espresso your love. And here is a pocket. Please enjoy a cup of gratitude. Thanks for everything. May the coffee be with you. And this time I just left these so you can cut them out and put on whatever you want to put it on. You could put this on gift wrapping. You could put this in a little box and just cut these out and glue it all over the box. Please enjoy a cup of gratitude. I do. I'm grateful for you guys for watching. Coffee, the old school energy drink. So anyhow, that is what I made with these two, with this 6x6 paper pad from Reminisce called But First Coffee. I will link scrapbook.com so you can go see what freebies, if any, they have going on today. Thank you so much for watching. Hit the like button and go have a cup of coffee. Have a fabulous day.